and welcome back to my dance channel. My name is Gali and this is Dancing with Gali. In today's video, you will learn 3 simple Cuban salsa steps. Stay till the end so you can put in practice everything you learn. If you're interested in learning Latin dance, consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. Every step we're gonna learn today, you're gonna be able to do it with your partner, okay? If you're ready to learn, let's get started. Let's do our first step, which is called Guapea. If this is your first salsa lesson, I recommend you to go first to this video where I teach you the 5 basic steps you need to know to start dancing salsa. This step is gonna give more flavor to your basic, okay? So let's try it. And first, we're gonna go with this leg, the leg that is in front of you, that should be your left, to the back, okay? So go back and close with our basic, forward and back. Now, after you go to the back, you're gonna open and turn. You see? Like this. You turn a little bit and then cross and come back. Okay? Again, back and twist, cross and back. So you're just gonna turn a little bit your body, cross and back. Okay? Let's try it like this. This leg to the back, back, forward, guapea, turn, cross and back, back and cross and back and cross and back, okay? Now we're gonna do it with the other leg. So we're gonna go back with this leg, back and close, forward and close, back and forward. Now, guapea, open, twist a little bit and cross and close. Back, open, turn, cross and back. Back, open, turn a little bit and cross, back and cross. Now with the numbers, 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. Let's try it this way. Guapea, 1, 2, 3 and forward and back and back. 3 and forward and 1, 2, 3 and forward and close. Okay, let's try with music. We're gonna do both legs and we're gonna start with the right to the back, okay? So first, go with the basic. Back and forward. Back and forward. Guapea. 1, 2, close, forward and close. 1, 2, close, forward and close. Basic. One more time. Guapea. 1, 2, and cross and close. 1, 2, turn, cross and back. 1, 2, turn, cross and back. Let's try the other leg. Forward. Back and forward. And guapea. 1, 2, 3, cross and close. 1, 2, 3, cross and. Okay, now we're gonna go with MAMBO. This is a step very common in Cuban salsa, so you really need to know. And for that, we're gonna go, of course, with our basic first. You're gonna do it with your right to the back. Follow me with the same leg that is in front of you, okay? Back and close with your basic. And when I say MAMBO, you're gonna cross, you're gonna close, you're gonna close, and then touch the floor and come back, touch the floor and come back without changing your weight, okay? You do touch and touch and touch and touch 4 times, okay? And then you come back to your basic and that's it. It's very easy. You just need to know that the tempo is gonna change. So look, when you go with your basic, you do 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and forward and back and forward. I'm gonna do it again with the change of tempo so you can understand. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, MAMBO. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3. Okay, so every step is with a tempo. Okay, pa and pa and pa and pa. Okay? Now with the other leg, so you can have it. So now we're gonna do it with this one to the back. So back and forward and back and forward. So mambo, remember, 4 touches. And touch and touch and touch and touch and forward and back. Let's do it like this so you can follow me. And back and forward and mambo. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and forward and back. Mambo. 1, 2, 3, 4 and forward and back. Okay? Now let's try it with music. Remember, we're gonna do both legs so you can follow me, and let's start with it. Okay? So back and forward. Back and forward. Ready? Mambo. And 1, 2, 3, 4, forward. Mambo. 1, 2, 3, 4, and forward. And change leg. Back and forward. Back and forward. Mambo. And 1, 2, 3, 4, forward. Mambo. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and forward. And back. And forward. And that's it. Very easy, right? Okay, for the next step, now we're gonna do Echeverria. This is also an easy step, so we're gonna add a twist to the basic. And we're gonna start with the right to the back. So, back, forward. So look, when you go forward, you're gonna go 1, and you're gonna pivot your step, and you're gonna open. You're gonna move your whole leg, your left to the back. So look how my body is totally opened to this side, and my knee is facing to the back. Okay, let's do it one more time. So you go back and forward. So Echeverria, go 1, 2, open, your knee is facing back. Now you're gonna step with your right, but you're gonna turn your whole body and your knees to the front. 1, now same thing but to the back. 2, you see how I'm changing my whole body, and then again 3 to the front. Okay, now we're gonna move the left forward, and we come back to our basic. Okay, so 3 times of the twist. 1, 2, 3. Just remember that the first twist is going forward because you already opened to the back. So you open to the back, forward, back, forward, and basic again. Okay, let's try with the other leg. So now with the left, going back, back, and forward. Now we're gonna open to the back the right leg. So back, and 1, 2, open. And look how my knee is facing back. My body, my knee, and my feet. So now we have to go forward with a twist, and look how my feet are doing this so I can go forward. So look, forward, back, forward. And we come back to the basic. Forward, one more time. 1, 2, 3, Echeverria. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. And that's it. So now we're gonna do it with music. Remember, we're gonna do both legs, and we're gonna start with our right to the back. Ready? Back, forward, back, forward. So we're gonna open with the left to the back. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Echeverria. 1, 2, 3. Twist, twist, twist. Forward and back. Echeverria. 1, 2, back, forward, and forward, back, forward, and let's change the legs. Left to the back, and forward, back, and forward. Let's try it. Echeverria, open with the right. 1, 2, back, forward, back, forward, and come back to the basic. 1, 2, 3. One more time. Echeverria, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Forward and back. And that's it. Now, if we want to give a little bit of movement to the basics, you can add hip movement in every step. So look, with Guapea, we go back and forward. So just bend your knees and push the floor so you can move your hip. Relax your shoulders and go back and forward. Like this, Guapea, 1, 2, turn. 1, 2, 3, and move a little bit your hips and your arms. And back, 2, 3, forward and back. Okay, so now let's try with Mambo, and we're gonna add the body movement, okay? So, back and forward, Mambo, and 1, 2, 3, 4, forward and back. Forward, Mambo, and I'm putting my hand here and the other one forward. 1, 2, 3, and forward and back. Okay? And for the Echeverria, it's the same thing. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, hip, hip, back, forward. Let's do it like this so you can see my hip. Back and forward. Echeverria, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and forward and back. Okay, now it's practice time. Follow along with me. 5, 6, 7, and right and left. Right and left. Right. Okay, Mambo. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward, back, forward. Guapea. And back. Echeverria, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, forward and back, forward and Mambo, and 1, 2, 3, 4, forward. Let's change legs, back and forward, left, forward, left, right, Mambo, 1, 2, 3, 4, forward, Echeverria, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and forward. Guapea, back and cross and back and cross and back and cross and Mambo. 1, 2, 3, 4, forward and back, forward. Echeverria, 1, 2, 3, twist, 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 and forward. And that's it. Let me know which step was the favorite one and which step was the harder for you to do. If you want me to go deep into any of the movements, please let me know in the comments so I can have it in mind for next videos. Thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Maybe you want to try these ones next.